Okay. Okay, so how is it going? Like, are you able to understand? You are enjoying, not enjoying? What?
Now I'm understanding and little bit of practice need.
We are enjoying.
Okay, good. And you're able to understand the queries and how the structure of SQL is, what actually we're doing with SQL, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we'll go to the query section. So let me present that file. Okay, you're able to see the screen?
Yes,
Yeah.
Start from the beginning of select queries. Okay, so select query is just to extract data from the database. Okay. So the very simple select is select column name from table name. The first one we learned select star from table name. Okay, we learned select top 10 from table name. Now select column wise. Okay, you want a few columns only from the particular table. So it will be select column followed by comma and then from table name. So now we'll come back to your screen. Now let's select select only those employees. Go to the employee details. Okay, let's select only those employees. Or just select the name and the designation of the employee. Okay, so we want to see how many employees are there and what are their designation. So how do we write that query?
Name and the designation.
Yeah.
So we remove this thing.
You can remove it. Gaurav, you tell
Yeah.
to write. Krishna will type. We want to see all the employees of this company and their designation.
Select
I think we will start with the query.
You need to use the database. Okay,
Alright.
use database one.
select table name.
Table name.
No,
Dot
Krishna,
DBO.
wait. First, we need to select the database. Okay, so use database one. Execute it. See, now, wait. Don't execute, wait. See, on the left-hand side, you can see master. Can you see master in that white space? It's a drop down.
Where is it?
On the left-hand side, at the top, in the tools bar.
Yes.
Okay, so yeah, no, expand that drop down, expand it. Here you have all the databases. So this portion shows in which location we are. Now, once we execute this use database one, the master will automatically change to database one. So now select this use database and execute the query. See, now it changed to database one. So now our present location is database one. Now we can go ahead with the select queries. Okay, and we don't have to use the database name then.
We have to write the select table.
Yes, what is the query I showed you? It was select column name separated
column
by
name,
commas from table name.
Okay.
name होगा.
Name,
Name.
comma, table name is DBO, name for details.
No, DBO is not required. DBO is not required.
Designation is required.
What we want to see, how many employees are there and what is
And
the
also
designation.
the designations.
Correct.
So we have to write designation.
Yeah.
So we have to give the space now.
Space is not required. Only comma will do. If you give
We have to
space
write
also, that doesn't matter.
Okay, so next we write designation.
Yes.
Designation. Comma.
No comma. We want only
Table
the
name.
designation. So that's done.
Sir, it where
No,
ID
here we do
is
not want
required.
where we don't need a where clause here because we want the complete set of employees and their designations.
Okay, okay, okay.
So we are querying the entire table.
Okay.
Okay, so select name, designation, then
Table name.
from table name.
From.
We're selecting this from where? From this table.
Okay.
Now execute. See, it's showing all the employees and their designation.
Okay, 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 okay.
And this is a query function we have to select. So we don't write to query. In Google, we write no query.
Yeah, in Google, we write queries, right? In Google, when we write it, there is the Google query. But this is a SQL statement. Google also, we can do the same thing. But Google, we cannot insert, we cannot update, we cannot alter. Okay, we can only select in Google queries.
This is a one types of filter.
Yeah, this is a type of filter. You are putting a filter into the table for whatever data you want to show.
Yeah.
Okay, so say suppose now I want the salary also beside this. So we have the list of employees, we have the designation, and what is the salary? We want the salary also beside on the third column. So what change will you make?
We add the salary after comma.
Yeah, execute. Okay, so we have the salary now. So this was the simple SQL query. Okay, select query, sorry. Okay, now we will get into the operators. Okay, so what are the operators in SQL? We have equal to, we have greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, or not equal to.
Not equal to means greater than or less than or both combined.
Correct. So not equal to, how do we write? It's a less than and greater than sign together. So here now, if we want to select, show.
Please say it again.
Okay, there are some operators. Okay, like what are operators like greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, not equal to. Okay, these are called operators. So here, suppose we want to see employees whose salary is only above and equal to 25,000. So what query
Okay,
should we
okay.
write? Or
Is
will
greater
write-
than 20, greater than or equal to 25,000.
You though will be able to do it because you are working on Google queries already. So let Gaurav tell. Gaurav,
Ah,
so now here we want to see the employees, only those employees whose salary is above 25,000.
hmm.
Okay, so we need a where clause here.
With
Select,
some limitation in the comment options,
yeah,
uh,
so with some-
like uh, like we uh, we write some select after greater than the salary of 25,000.
exactly, that is the logic. Okay, in sentence, if you say, what will you say? Select those
Yeah.
employees whose salary is greater than equal to 25,000. That
Yes.
is the statement. So now we'll convert it into a SQL statement. So here we already have written select name, designation, salary from employee details. Here we'll put a where clause. So we'll type where salary is greater than equal to. So we'll give the sign of greater than equal to. This is greater than and then equal to. Did you get it, Gaurav?
Yes.
So greater than equal to 25,000. So now if we execute this, it will show us only two of them,
Yes. Yes.
right?
Hmm.
Now, if we change that to less than 25,000, it will show the rest of three.
Less where salary is less than equal to 25,000.
Ah,
Just this one
no,
is changed.
only
Okay.
less than 25,000. If we want to see
Yes. Yes. Yes.
the remaining part, so just less than 25,000 will do it,
Okay. Okay.
right?
Yes.
Okay, now greater than equal to, less than equal to, or greater than, less than, you have got it. Now
Okay.
let's go for the not equal to. We'll just do once with the not equal to. So Krishna, change it to not equal to. So if we write not equal to 25,000, it should show the remaining four. See, now it's not showing the employee with 25,000 salary, rest all the employees it's showing, correct?
Okay.
So these are the operators, the arithmetic operators in SQL query.
Hmm.
6 operators.
Okay, now we can also use operators like between, like, in. We can also use that, right? Between means within a specific range.
12,000 to 20,000 in
12,000 to
between those.
20,000, correct. So whoever is between 12,000 to 20,000, show me only those employees.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, let's try that.
Between 12,000. So we have to put the comma.
Between 10 to 25,000.
And there's an error. So
Two,
we have to
right?
put the comma here.
Right, two.
Two.
No,
Execute.
okay. Execute. I think it's not two. It will be and. It's giving an error, right? Now execute it. Okay, so whoever is between 10,000 and 25,000, it's showing only those employees now.
Hmm.
So this is the between. So for between, you will have to use and.
Okay, got it.
Okay, now next we'll try in.
In.
So in for in, we will not use the salary part. Where say department in single inverted commas, type one of the department. And for in, I think we'll have to use a bracket also. Open bracket and close bracket.
What's that?
Yes.
What's that?
That's okay. Okay, so this is the person who is in data analyst department.
Okay.
Okay, so when we are using a in, you have to put it in a bracket, first bracket open and close, and then give the in parameter, which parameter you want to check within single inverted commas.
Okay. If I added after select name, designation, and all salary, and also the department, then I show the department of Subham.
Okay, fine, let's add it.
Yeah.
Manu sir,
Hmm.
we can't use the in value in operator in numeric value like salary, age.
Yes, yes, we can give. We can give. Try. And we can give multiple values in. When we are putting the in clause, we can give multiple clause by comma separated. So 25,000, comma 32,000, it will show both.
And for every we have to use the first bracket.
No, within that first bracket, it will be comma separated. Within the
Comma.
first bracket, yeah, separated by comma. Okay, it's getting to, okay, yeah. So you have given 3, it's showing 3. Okay. So like this, in can be used. Another one which which is the same as in Google query, we can use like. Okay, so let's try with a like. So say suppose we are checking the designation. So designation like.
Like
In first bracket. Sorry, in single inverted commas.
MIS.
Type MIS.
Okay.
Okay, now suppose you do not know the spelling of accounts. Okay, there is a designation called accountant. Suppose you have forgotten the spelling of accountant, you don't remember it. You remember only first initials. So don't type the complete thing. ACC, first three, you type ACC and then give a percentage. So percentage will work as a wild character over here.
Percentage.
Yeah, now
This one,
execute. Execute.
okay.
It has already taken accountant. So when you are giving a percentage after ACC, so that means it will search for ACC and then it can be whatever after that. It will pull up all those results. So if you have
Okay.
accounts and if you have accountant and you give ACC percentage, both will be shown. Got it?
Oh, okay.
This will work as a wild character. Gaurav, clear?
Yes, yes.
So wild character like that, select star, we use the star, which is a wild character. So here also percentage is acting as a wild character.
Okay.
Okay, now you can use percentage both ways. You can use it at the beginning and end both. Okay, if you want, you can use it only in the beginning, not after that. So you'll have to try all these yourself. This will be like for practice, you can do all these things.
But it doesn't affect it. Work in all the
No, it will
all the
not.
way.
It will not get ACC because ACC is the starting. You are giving the wild character at the beginning. Okay, ACC
Oh,
is the starting. You give A and TS.
yeah.
There is no S, I think. See, now it's showing. Okay, so this wild character can be used before the clause or after the clause or both before and after. So if you want to give both before and after, just select OUN till it will show you the contents. Clear?
Okay.
Okay, now we'll get into order by. So these all these operators are clear. Greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, not equal
Yeah, yeah.
to, between, in, like. Okay. So
Hmm.
now we'll get into order by, we'll get into and or, okay,
Okay.
not, and top we have already done. So let's try them one by one. We'll get into order by first. So let's order by the table, uh, in a ascending order according to their salary.
Okay, so we have to use the where clause.
We'll have to use the where clause. No, we'll have to use the order by clause. Remove the where clause. Order by
Or,
salary
okay.
descending, DESC. Now execute it. So see, the highest salary will be at the top and the lowest salary will be at the bottom. So if you make it ascending ASC, it will be the opposite direction. Just change it to ASC. So now it is the reverse pattern.
Okay.
So this is the order by clause. Whenever you want to see say suppose you want to see the employees according to their age. Okay, so arrange according to their age. Krishna, you can do one thing. Remove that use database command.
What is
Remove the use database command.
use database command means?
जो first option
First,
select up.
Okay.
just delete that. Okay, now you don't have to select the statement every time. Just execute it, it will execute.
Okay.
Okay, so just make the change and execute.
Done order by age, ascending order.
Order by age, ascending order, yes. So now we have 22, 20, 30, 45.
It also work in the name alphabet.
No, it will not work in the name alphabet.
Okay.
Ascending or descending, it should be like it should be integer based.
Yeah.
It cannot be that, the text based.
Okay.
So now we'll get into say and or. Okay, so and clause and or clause. So say suppose we want to see employees who are above okay, who are above 15,000 salary. Okay,
15,000.
and designation like MIS.
Okay. So we use the where clause and after that and.
Yes.
Salary is greater than 50,000 and
Yeah, got it. No, but I told like, not equal.
Like
huh?
Like MIS.
Right.
no. Designation after like MIS.
Sorry. And
Designation like. Now you have got two MIS in the database, if you remember. We want both of them. How do we get it? So this is how we got all the employees who are designation is like MIS and whose salary is above 15,000.
Okay.
if we don't use the percentage sign, so we don't get all the MIS.
Yes, if you do not give percentage, then it will only check for MIS and you have only one MIS starting with MIS. The other one is starting with SR. So that's the reason you have to give percentage. So it will take both. Clear? So this is an AND clause. So you are combining two clauses. You are combining a where clause as well as you are combining a like clause.
Okay.
So we are using AND. Now, if we want to use OR, okay, we can use OR. So if we want the same output with the OR clause, just imagine how we can do it. We want the same output. Instead of and, you will have to use or. What changes you will have to make? Lot of things.
Simply we have to add
Hello.
Mhm.
Or clause, right?
Yes. With or clause, you have to take out the same output.
We change the and option
Hmm.
to or, and uh,
Think. What we can do to get the same output with a or clause?
MIS or SR manager. Sorry, SR MIS.
Exactly. Correct. So instead of like, we'll use or over there.
we have to use the or here.
You will have to use and also. Okay. And if you don't want to use and, then you'll have to remove the salary part.
Okay.
Manoj, how should we write?
Let it be. So
Salary.
we'll go to this after designation, remove the like, equal to, make it equal to designation equal to remove percentage. So designation is equal to MIS or,
Or SR MIS.
yeah, whole thing after or. Executed.
Okay.
Got it?
Hmm.
So we are combining and, or, and where, all three.
Hmm.
Okay, now here in this particular example,
Give me 1 minute break.
okay, take it.
Give.
So Krishna, think here you don't want to see a person who is less than 30 years.
Okay.
So what should you use? Maybe you have to use the not clause this time, not.
Or not after the senior MIS.
Sorry?
After that we have using the or designation senior MIS. After that we write not. Age is greater. The age is less than 30.
Okay, we'll try it. Let him come back, then do it.
Hello.
Gaurav, you are back.
Yes. Let's start.
Okay, Krishna. So we don't want to see the person who is less than 30 years in this particular output.
Not age is less than. Is this correct?
No, this is not correct. You'll have to use a and again. Okay,
Hmm.
so you are joining, right? So and is the joining operator. So you'll have to use the and then the not.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, understood. Okay, for or purpose, we don't need to add, don't need to join the add and.
Yes. Okay, now we'll get into the aggregate functions. I think this video will stop now, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, once we get into the new session, then we'll start the aggregate function. And with that only, we'll stop the session today.
Okay.
Okay.
So let me